We need to solve the system of equations by graphing. Solve both of these equations for y. We use our slope-intercept pattern. We see where the lines cross. Let's take a look. First, we've got 3x minus y is equal to 4. We want to isolate this equation. We want to isolate y all by itself, so we start doing the opposite here. Minus 3x to both sides. We're left with negative y is equal to negative 3x plus 4. Now what is this negative sign? It's really the opposite. So we just take the opposite of each term. We should have the answer. Opposite of negative y is positive y. Opposite of negative 3x is positive 3x. Opposite of plus 4 is minus 4. Our famous pattern y equals mx plus b. Two numbers that you got to know what to do for a graph. Our m, our slope, is 3 over 1. That means count 3 up and 1 to the right. And our starting point, the letter b, is negative 4. That means we're going to start 4 steps down. So let's just get this line on here right to start with. Here's 1 dot on my negative 4. And then we count 1, 2, 3 up and 1 to the right. 1, 2, 3 up, 1 to the right. One more time. 1, 2, 3 up and 1 to the right. We'll draw a straight line right through there. Let's see if I can do it. There we go. Our other equation says x plus 2y is equal to 6. X plus 2y is equal to 6. Solve this. We isolate the y. We subtract x from both sides. We get 2y is equal to negative 1x plus 6. It's going to be helpful to imagine the 1 there, because when we divide everything by 2, we'll get y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 3. Here's a line that starts 1 step up, and then we will count 1 down and 2 to the right for each dot here. Here we go. 1 down, 2 to the right. 1 down, 2 to the right. Almost messed that up. My starting point is positive 3 right here, so I got to start up 3 steps right there. And then I count my slope. Negative 1/2. 1 down, 2 to the right. 1 down, 2 to the right. Do that a couple times. Get my other line going right here. Drops the graph right through those. And wherever this crosses, that's going to be our solution. So we see these two lines cross each other. From the center, we take 2 steps to the right and 2 steps up. That is our answer. So how do we answer this? We're just looking for that point right there, where they cross. 2, 2. Alright. The equation's already solved for y. If they already look like this, then you just have to use the slope-intercept pattern and graph those. They need to be solved. This is what you do.